Okay, question 7 has given us an implicit function and wants us to find the gradient when x is equal to 1. So we're going to need to differentiate this. First thing I would do to differentiate is expand this bracket here. So we're going to have x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. We're not going to really be wanting to do the chain rule on this the way it looks, given that it's implicit. I guess you could do, it's just not the way I would take it. So now to differentiate implicitly, we're going to differentiate each term as it is. So the x squared is just going to be 2x. This second term here, we're going to need to use the chain rule, so I'm going to differentiate, so I'm going to split it here. Differentiate the first and leave the second alone, plus leave the first alone, and differentiate y. When we differentiate y, we're going to get 1 times by dy by dx, so that's 2x dy by dx. And for this one, we're going to get 2y dy by dx. Again, we're going to need to use the product rule and the chain rule on this, so let's differentiate the first one, which is just a 1, leave the second one alone, plus leave the first one alone, differentiate the second one, that's going to be a 2y dy by dx. Okay, so next job is to get what dy by dx equals, so we're going to need to get all the terms with the dy by dx on one side and all the terms without on the other. So I'm going to have my 2x dy by dx, my 2y dy by dx, and I'm going to take away this 2xy dy by dx so that it's on the left hand side, and that's going to equal this y squared minus 2x and minus 2y. And if we now factorise the dy by dx out, we've got dy by dx 2x plus 2y minus 2xy. And we can divide by that bracket to give us that dy by dx is equal to y squared minus 2x minus 2y, all divided by 2x plus 2y take 2xy. So we want to know the value of this when x is equal to 1. But we can't just shove x in because we need to know what the y value is when x equals 1 as well. So we're going to have to take that whole function and solve it when x is equal to 1. So we've got 1 plus y or y plus 1 squared is equal to y squared. So that's y squared plus 2y plus 1 equals y squared. So 2y plus 1 is equal to 0, so y is equal to negative a half is the solution. So we're looking to find the value of the gradient at this coordinate here. So let me just copy this. So we're going to have that dy by dx is equal to minus a half squared minus 2 times 1 minus 2 times minus a half, so that's going to be plus 1 over 2 times 1 plus 2 times minus a half, so that's going to be minus 1 minus 2 times 1 times minus a half is going to be plus 1. So we've got a quarter minus 1 over 2. That's minus 3/4 over 2, which is a negative 3/8.